Hey everyone, today we'll be making salmon cakes. I know, another cooking video, but I hope you guys enjoy. So first you'll need eggs, then you'll need green peppers, onions, all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, salt, pepper, seasonal, complete seasoning, and garlic powder. Then next you want to put some oil in your pan. You don't want to have too much oil and you don't want to have too less oil. So just put enough oil in there so that you can fry your salmon cakes. You want to prep your salmon, so I'm just going to open all my salmon packs, and once I've opened all of them I will start putting my ingredients in. And I just want to show you guys that it's wild caught salmon, skinless and boneless, and it's a pretty healthy meal. So now I'm going to begin cracking my eggs. So I use 2 eggs for the packs. I sprinkle some salt, I sprinkle my pepper, I sprinkle my seasoning oil. Then after that I'll start sprinkling in my complete seasoning, and last but not least I'll sprinkle in my garlic powder. Next I will toss in my onions and green peppers, and then I will put some flour in. The flour basically holds the patty together as well as the eggs, so they both work together to hold the patty together. And then I will begin mixing. I didn't want to mix with my hands because, just didn't want to. So I used a spoon and it mixed it pretty well. But I mean, if you're fine with mixing your food with your hands, go right ahead and use your hands. I had to sprinkle a little bit more flour because I noticed it wasn't sticking as much as I wanted it to. But of course, you can put as much flour as you want in your own patties. But this is just how I made mine. So you'll see that, they're sticking better and it's forming better to make a patty. So now I'm going to put some paper down. I believe it's called parchment paper. And I'm going to start forming my patties. I use a cup measure to form my patties. And then now you see I'm going to form them with my hands. And yeah, just continue to watch the video. As you see here, I made 9 patties, and I'm going to begin dropping them into my oil. And my oil is hot, so you don't want to drop it in oil if it's not hot. So yeah, I'm just going to drop them in the oil and let them cook 5 minutes on each side. Now that 5 minutes has passed, you see that I'm just sliding the spatula underneath, flipping them onto the other side so that that side could cook. And now you're going to wait an additional 5 minutes for this side to cook. Now once the salmon cakes are finished, you just want to plate them. I have them on top of a napkin and aluminum foil. Then I'm going to sprinkle some smoked paprika just for, looks, not really taste, but mainly looks. And I'm going to also put some cilantro on top. And now you guys have salmon cakes or salmon patties, whatever you want to call them. They were really delicious. I paired it with grits. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.